Hi everybody, I am going to try a new recipe. It is Parmesan Crusted Baked Cauliflower. And I'm going to start by cutting off these leaves on the bottom. And I'm going to give it a good washing. I'm going to keep the head intact. So I'm just getting rid of the leaves. Okay. Let me wash it up real good. And when I buy cauliflower, I buy organic cauliflower. Only because you don't know what's going to get down deep into the head of the cauliflower. So I'm going to put it in a microwave safe dish. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to microwave it for about 7 to 8 minutes. And then we'll be back. Okay, it just came out of the microwave. I don't know, can you see the steam coming off of that? Yeah. So I'm gonna let this cool till the steam quits. And while it's cooling, I'm going to make the Parmesan that's gonna go over top. So it calls for 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. And I was doing some research and I'm going to look into the avocado mayonnaise. It's healthier for you. I'm looking for healthier versions of what I do because I'm trying to eat clean and eat healthy. I'm not going to be a vegan. I'm just having to figure it out. So that's 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of Parmesan. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now, I like mustard, so I'm probably going to be really generous with this. If I can get it out of the, boy. That's what happens when your hands get old. You don't have the strength you did before. Just take the lid off. There we go. There's 1. And 2 in a piece. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice. This will brighten it up. You can add 2 if you want, but I'm going to go with 1 since this is the first time I've ever tried this recipe. I'm gonna add well, this is still steaming, but I'm going to get some paprika. Okay. Forget the paprika. I found this. It's Guava Garlic Salt. Can you see that? It's from the islands. And I think I'm going to give it a try. It's got natural Pacific sea salt, premium Hawaiian sea salt, garlic, pepper, natural guava, vinegar, and vegetable extracts. We'll see what happens here. I might sprinkle it on top too. Should be interesting. Always exciting to try new things. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this to my roasting pan. I have these ugly baking sheets that I use for baking my bacon or roasting. I have good cookie sheets that are not allowed to be used for roasting. So, all right, I'm just going to smear this all over the top. Probably going to have to get in here with my hands to make sure I get it, all of the cauliflower heads, all the little bits and pieces covered. Smells good, but I like cauliflower. Almost like icing a cake. Of course, I would go back to, I like to bake, so of course. And I'm just covering every inch of this cauliflower head. I lined my roasting sheet with foil because when everything burns, all the parts that fall off or drip, I can just throw the foil away. Ugh, I can smell the mustard and it smells fabulous. Okay. All right, let me do a couple more twists on top. Call it good. I'm going to put it in a 400-degree oven and I'm going to let bake for about 15 minutes and then I'm going to check on it and see if it needs to go longer. All right, I just took it out of the oven. Boy, doesn't that look, it smells fabulous. Too bad you don't have smell, whatever. They need to fix that. If they can do everything else tech-wise, they should be able to figure out something. But man, it smells really good. So let me reposition. I'm kind of nervous to do this, but let me change the camera position. And I will cut into it and I will take a bite so you will see my face when I try this for the first time. I'm going to cut this piece off right here. Let's see what happens. It's really tender. I'm going to cut this piece off right here. Let's see what happens.
really tender.